Hi guys, welcome to my channel, Sheryl. Guys, if you use copyright-free music, be careful. They are scammers on YouTube. They take free music and register this music to a network. A network is a website to make money with your own music through YouTube. When people listen to their videos, but it's not their own music. Some legit people use copyright-free music like channel Noise by Music and work very hard, but they get false copy claims because of scammers. One of the scammers named Bianca Pagliarin. Bianca Pagliarin, she claims music which is not her own. So now, what should you do if you get copy-free music? Please contact and warn the original author of the music in his YouTube video. You can find also his SoundCloud profile and comment there. YouTube can take weeks to resolve this, so be careful. Trust and honest channel like Nourish by Music. Be patient and wait for your to be fixed. Thanks so much for your support. God bless us.